Hello and welcome to the North Creek Electives Fair Online. I'm Mr. Barber, and this is going to be a video about AP Computer Science Principles. My information is here in case you have any questions during the video. You can email me at rbarber2 at nsd.org. So a little bit about me. I graduated from University of Washington. I have worked in the software development industry. I did Java web development and database development. I've been in secondary education since 2008. And next year will be my third year teaching this class. So just a little bit about me. AP Computer Science at a glance. This is a fun and engaging computer science class. We use code.org's programming environment. It uses JavaScript. We actually build apps that you can share with your family and friends, and I'll show you a little bit of that. You'll be given ample time to complete projects during class. And if you use your time wisely, there shouldn't be any homework in this class. I usually give enough time to complete the assignments in class. That's probably one of the biggest questions I'm asked during elective fairs is that, yes, I do give a lot of time to complete assignments, so you hopefully shouldn't have any homework in this class. All right, AP Computer Science Principles Essentials. So prerequisites, geometry. This is a year-long class. All students are eligible, grades 9 through 10. Typically, the class is made up 70% of 9th and 10th grade students. I will advise that only mature 9th graders that are willing to be academically challenged take this class. If you really want to take computer science and you're a 9th grader, you also have, there's a good option. There's Intro to Computer Science, and that's another good option. There's a video on that one if you want to look at that one. Technology used is JavaScript and code.org app lab. We'll take a look at that in a moment. Computer science programming concepts learned. I'm not going to go through all those. You can pause the video if you want and look through all those. Also, we will talk about the basics of software, the software project lifecycle. Students can earn college credit through the AP College Board for this class, 5 college credits. And yes, if you're in 9th grade, you can earn 5 college credits for this class also. I should say even 9th graders can earn. That's one question I get asked a lot. Even 9th graders can earn 5 college credits. 9 through 12 can earn 5 college credits for this class. So course overview. So code.org's AP Computer Science Principles of full year course introduces students to modern foundations of computing. And the course covers a broad range of foundational topics. So we cover, not only we cover programming, we also algorithms, the internet, data, big data, digital privacy and security, and societal impacts of computing. So more than just, if, else statements and loops, we talk about a few other things. Code.org is recognized by the College Boards as an endorsed provider of curriculum. So the curriculum we used is endorsed by the College Board. This class is taught in hundreds of high schools across the United States. Another good chance to pause the video if you want more information about more details. I'm not going to go through all these, but these are all the units and what the units cover on a high level. There is also going to be information on how you can actually go into my website, and you could even click on the link for the curriculum for this course. All right, so code.org app lab overview. You can code in text, and the next slide you also can will show that you also can code in block. So this is in block, and this is in text. I'm going to actually go in and we're going to take a look in App Lab and code.org. So here's the area where you're going to be coding in. Here is the area where you can design your apps. So this is just a little rock, paper, scissors app. You can see if we can play it. And this is me against the computer. So I won that one. Let's go ahead and play something else. Computer wins that time. So it's just a little program that was created using code.org's App Lab. So a little about App Lab. So as you can see, this is where all of the code goes into this screen. And then, like I was saying, it's really nice. A lot of students like this feature where you can use and you can go into block mode. So you can also go into block mode if you've taken Scratch or Snap. Those are block-based coding languages. So a lot of students like that about this. They can still use the block base in this class. So you can drag these blocks into the coding window on this side. And you can always easily switch back and forth between block and text. And then even these blocks can be dragged into the text fields. So a couple other nice things is you do have this design mode. So now we're in coding mode. You can switch to design mode. And in design mode is where you're going to design your screen. So we could drag in these elements, these user interface elements, into your screen. So drop downs, radio buttons. So you can just drag those in if you want to add them. So a lot of different user interface elements. This is a really nice. You don't have to know HTML or CSS in this class. You can just so really nice way to be able to design your user interface by just dragging those in. I'll just touch on this real shortly. There's a data tab. You can access data in tables, and we do actually have some lessons on accessing data in tables. So that's another nice feature about this environment. You notice down here that there is a nice debugging window. I can come in and set breakpoints, have the code stop on certain spots. So my code stopped right there. I clicked on the rock button and stopped here, and then I can just step through my code. So nice debugging features. I can put watches on different variables over here. Also, there is also a version history. So you can go back to, or you can restore versions. And then I showed you show blocks. Another really cool feature is the share feature. So with the share feature, you're able to actually send this to a phone. I have this sent to my phone. Let me just see if I can show that real quick. So I have this game. I shared it on my phone. Let's see if I can show that real quick. So I have it on my iPhone. I shared it. And I can go ahead and play it. Just going to, so I just selected rock. The computer beat me that time. So yeah, you can create these apps and share them on your phone. They're really cool. Share them with family and friends. So a lot of students really love working in this programming environment. All right, so that was a quick tour of code.org App Lab. And that's all I had. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email me, rbarber2@nsd.org. You could also go into my teacher site, which is on the North Creek website, and you should go to resources and teacher sites, and then select Mr. Barber's website. There's more information, like I was saying, there's a link to the curriculum, and there's also more information about me, and there's more information about this course. I hope to see you in class next year. Have a great day.